closings at this so much, and bottom of the screen, scrolling. 56 schools filled with happy children.
Yes.
Roads now, northwest, a couple of disabled trucks to tell you about along Route 2. First is in Littleton on 495 South on the right shoulder. Second is on the median of Route 2 at 128 in Lexington. So rough on the roads for trucks this morning. If you're on the Pike, State Police speed limit on the Pike end to end to 40 miles per hour. So if you do have to get into work, keep it to 40 on the Pike. South of town, a few cars are on the roads taking their time. 24-3 and the expressway.
Safety Insurance sponsors our school closings. Really makes more sense if they sponsor our traffic maps this morning because there are a lot of people calling their insurance companies.
That's right. Safety would be the key.
Spinning out into these guardrails along the highway.
It's a rough one. About 4,500 plows, though, have been mobilized across the state.
Some of them have been up on the roadways for hours upon hours already. WBZ's David Roby show is live in downtown Boston. And Roby, once the flakes started flying, the skies just sort of opened up with snow.
David, I have been doing this standing out, covering the snow thing for a little over 15 years now, and this is as bad as I've seen it. About 10 past 4, we had some...
All right. You can see how tough it is out there today. It's tough for trucks, it's tough for plows, and for our especially the high wind. I mean, the snow, as you look at it, is blowing horizontally right. So it's going to be a today for vehicles.
I got to say, that was a little bit of a cliffhanger. By saying, in my 15 years of covering snow, I cut out. I wanted that.
Worst or not?
I'll tell you what, we're going to be back in 2 minutes. Maybe we can get Roby live shot reestablished, and we can find out what he was going to say. We're back.
WBZ's severe weather coverage is brought to you by